Have you ever wanted to start an Etsy shop but felt overwhelmed with the idea of managing inventory, packing products, and shipping? Well, I have great news for you. Print on demand is the perfect solution. Not only that, but Etsy sellers are making thousands of dollars each month by using print on demand on Etsy. And in today's video, I will teach you how to do exactly that. I'll cover what it is, how to choose designs that sell, and the exact steps to get your first few products live on Etsy. Plus, I will share how winning tools such as EverBee will give you a competitive edge when it comes to researching winning products. By the end of the video, you'll have everything you need to start your own print-on-demand Etsy business. Let's get started. So what is print on demand? Let's start with the basics. Print on demand is a business model where you design custom products such as t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, even phone cases, but you don't actually hold the inventory yourself. Instead, a print on demand company handles production and shipping for you. Here's how it works. You create designs, you upload them to a print on demand platform such as Printify or Printful. When somebody orders from your Etsy shop, your print on demand providers receive the order, prints it, packs it, and sends it to the customer. And you earn the profit margin after paying for the base product and printing costs. This means no upfront costs in inventory, no storage, and no hassle with packing or shipping. It is perfect for beginners and anyone looking for a low-risk way to start an online business. Now, Etsy is the ideal marketplace for print-on-demand products because people come on here looking for unique, custom, and often handmade items. Even if print-on-demand isn't technically handmade, you can market your product as custom design and tailor them to Etsy's audience. Some top print-on-demand product categories that do really well on Etsy include custom apparel like personalized t-shirts or hoodies, home decor like wall art and throw pillows, gifts like mugs with funny or sentimental quotes, seasonal items like Christmas ornaments or Valentine's Day mugs. And the best part, Etsy's built-in audience makes it easier to get traffic to your store rather than starting your own website. But now you don't want to start creating print-on-demand products and listing them on Etsy without knowing what is actually out there and what people are searching for. And that is where EverBee comes in. EverBee is a powerful keyword research tool for Etsy sellers. EverBee is the tool that takes the guesswork out of finding profitable products to sell in your store. So it is a Chrome extension that connects directly to Etsy and helps you uncover what's trending, what's selling, and how much competition is there in your niche. So how do you use it? You download the free EverBee Chrome extension using the link in the description. And then you head over to Etsy with the EverBee Chrome extension integrated and you search for a product category that you're interested in creating for your store. So it can be funny coffee mugs, boho tote bags, and then you can click on the EverBee extension to analyze product. It will show you the statistics like estimated monthly sales, revenue, and the keywords that those products are searching for. For example, if you search custom t-shirts, you might find that niche designs such as mom life shirts or funny t-shirt shirts are trending but are not overly competitive. So with EverBee, you can find out what people are searching for on Etsy, but also see the competition there is out there already, because you don't want to compete with the most popular best-selling items and instead find some keywords that you can rank for first. Another thing you can do is go to the keyword tool inside EverBee directly and search some keywords there. And for example, if you type in mom sweatshirt or twin mom sweatshirt, you might find that there are some product opportunities there with different tags with low competition and high search volume. So to analyze that, we are looking at the competition score that EverBee shares, and then you can also look at other tags that they recommend and other keywords, because we want to keep these in mind when we're creating our Etsy listing, the title, the description, and the tags. So once you find a few keywords that you're really interested in and that match your shop's niche, you can start creating the designs for your print-on-demand product. Now, it is not complicated to create print-on-demand designs that sell. You can use AI, you can use tools like Canva or Photoshop. It is super easy to create a graphic to add on your shirt or on your sweatshirt. For example, let's create a coffee-inspired sweatshirt using an embroidery design. So to get started, you first need to choose a niche. So you pick a specific niche for your audience to design for. For example, dog lovers, plant lovers, coffee enthusiasts. Niches help you stand out in a crowded market. You can keep it really simple. Simple designs perform better, especially on products like mugs and t-shirts. You can think bold text, fun fonts, and minimal graphics. To stay on trend, you can use tools like EverBee to identify trending themes or check Pinterest for inspiration as well. And of course, always check EverBee for new keyword opportunities to create multiple designs in your niche that match your aesthetic, style, and of course what your audience is actively searching for on the platform. So how do you set up your Etsy shop? First, you sign up to Etsy, you get 40 free listings with the link below, and you create a seller account and name your shop. You can choose something catchy and niche specific. Then you go ahead and connect your print-on-demand platforms such as Printify or Printful, and you connect it with your Etsy store. Next, you find the products in their catalog and upload your designs. Upload high-quality mockups to showcase your products on your Etsy store. So platforms like Printify and Placeit provide realistic mockups to help your listings stand out. Next, what you need to do, as I said, is take the keywords that EverBee recommends for the type of product you want to sell and optimize your listings. So use those keywords for your listings title, description, and tag. So once your shop is live and your products are live, how do you start promoting your products and maximize your sales? First, you can join to increase your listings views and favorites. Then you can use social media marketing to create unique posts and videos of your products. You can use email marketing and offer a 10% off coupon code for your Etsy store for everybody that joins, and even look into Etsy ads if you have the budget for it. But I honestly recommend getting a few sales as a beginner shop that are organic sales by ranking in search and optimizing your listings and shop really well, because even if you run ads on Etsy, people might not purchase the product if they see you have no reviews and no sales. Now, once you've gotten a few sales, it's time to scale with data and EverBee insights. So you can use EverBee to analyze which of your products are performing best. For example, if your tote bags are doing really well with a certain design, consider expanding those with mugs or different t-shirts with the same design type or aesthetic. And another really important tip is to stay consistent. Etsy rewards active shops that add new products regularly. So aim for 3 to 5 new products added to your shop every single week. And there you have it, a complete guide on starting to make money on Etsy with a print-on-demand store. Whether you're creating funny mugs, cozy hoodies, or boho tote bags, the key is to combine great designs with smart research. Don't forget to try EverBee for your store success using the link below. If you found this video helpful and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe for more videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!